It's a very snowy day out there. I'm gonna do this workout. Good morning. It is Wednesday. I am back with not a weekly vlog, I guess, because the week's almost half over, but a few days in my life. I'm just making my breakfast. It's like 8:30. I was gonna get up this morning at 5:45 and go to the gym, and somebody did not do that. I woke up at my alarm, I got out of bed, and my foot has been hurting and I could barely walk on it, so I was like, if I can barely walk on it, like, I'm just not gonna go to the gym today. I'm gonna do like a Pilates workout or something here. I'm just making myself some oatmeal for breakfast. Nothing big planned for today. Troy's got the car because we had a sleet storm on Monday, and our driveway has like 3 or 4 inches of sleet, and it's very hard to drive, and my car is the only one that will actually get out of the driveway. Okay. I just made myself some strawberry oats with unsweetened coconut and chia seeds, and I'm gonna add some protein powder and some yogurt. Naked Harvest vanilla pancake batter. Do my workout. I have to decide what workout I'm gonna do this morning. I'm gonna do this workout from the Deliciously Ella app. It's a 20-minute Pilates workout. Doing my skincare. Lucy is down for her nap. I still haven't eaten my oatmeal yet because she really needed to go to sleep, and I am starving, but I also want to make sure I get my skincare done. I'm really trying to like find some new products to add into my skincare routine because it's very simple. It's really 3 things. And I use jojoba oil, but I want to use like some other serums. I have been using hyaluronic acid serum, and that was really good on my skin, but it's just so expensive. Like, I know if I want like have a good skincare routine, I'm gonna have to invest in some more expensive products, but I was just going through it so quick, and I also just like don't know that much about skincare. I just need to like educate myself. There's like so many different things out there. There's like 10-step routines and like 5-step. Like, I don't want a big routine. I'm just gonna do some light makeup today, I think, because I've been having a lot of like breakouts. I think it's like hormonal breakouts, like all on my forehead and my cheek. It is like my ovulation time of my cycle, so I don't know if that's like affecting it. I finished the first book in the A Court of Roses, or Thorns and Roses. So good. Oh my goodness. I haven't read a book that quick in so long. Like, I've been really in a reading rut, and I devoured that book. I am so excited to start the second one tonight. I was gonna buy it off of thrift books, but it ended up being cheaper buying it off of Amazon. And I was able to get the whole series brand new off Amazon for cheaper than thrift books, which was exciting. I really want to switch up my mascara, but like, obviously I'm gonna use this one first because I just bought it for $10. When did drugstore mascara become so expensive? It did not. It used to be like $6 or $5 to get it. Like, literally 4 years ago. time to go eat my breakfast because I'm so hungry. I also need to book a haircut for this week. All the ends of my hair, it's just like dead hair. Oh my gosh, my coffee tastes extra good this morning. I used a hazelnut flavored coffee and mixed it with like a mix of oat and regular milk, and it's so good. I'm going to be attempting to make gluten-free sourdough bread because my family is like obsessed with making it right now, and every time I go visit they have like a freshly baked loaf of sourdough and it smells so good and it looks amazing. I can't eat it because I have celiac. I would get so sick. So I'm gonna start because obviously with sourdough you need like a good sourdough starter, so I need to make one. So I found a recipe for a sourdough starter that I'm going to try, and I kind of have to like keep it feeding and alive for like at least a week before I can use it, so I'm starting it today. So I've got 1 cup of GF flour in here, then I need to add a cup of room temperature water, so I'm gonna do that, and then a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and then oh, I gotta flip my egg. Hang on. A teaspoon of yeast. I need to whisk it all together. So then I want to cover this with a loose cloth and just let it sit for 24 hours before I touch it again. At room temperature at 70 degrees. Here is my sourdough starter. Oh, it is a 2 coffee kind of day, and I'm gonna make myself iced coffee this afternoon. So I just brewed my double espresso shot, and I added a little bit of the hazelnut that I did this morning. I'm gonna add some ice. More. And some oat milk. Dash of cream. The satisfying part. Yum. Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday. I'm just making my protein oats. I actually got up and went to the gym at 6 a.m. this morning. That felt really good, and the sunrise was insanely beautiful. But today I'm making chocolate protein oats with peanut butter. I just have to mix them in. Just assembling a cake box in my car, no big deal. I really hope the cake fits in there. That would be awkward if it didn't fit. I got it to fit. This is an Oreo cheesecake that I'm going to go deliver right now. Hi, can I get a small iced coffee, buttered pecan, and half, please? Thank you. Oh, that's good. It is snowy out today, and it's supposed to snow like another 5 inches, I think. Morning, Lucy. Little update on my sourdough starter. I had to switch it to this because it literally was about to explode out of the jar. And so yesterday I took half a cup out and added in another cup of gluten-free flour and another cup of water. And so that's what it looks like now after I've done that. And then in like a few hours, I'm gonna do the same thing, take half a cup out, add in another cup of flour and another cup of water. So I'm feeding it, and you can use like the half cup that you take out and start another starter. And I think from now on I do that for twice a day for a week, unless it's really showing signs of being active, and then I can try making sourdough from it. So I'm so excited because it's actually working. I really hope I'm able to make some really good gluten-free sourdough. While it's a very snowy day out there, I think it's supposed to snow a few more inches today. It's actually very pretty when it sticks to all the trees like that. Good morning, happy Saturday guys. Didn't film anything yesterday. I just wanted to end today's video off here. I really hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in my next video.